Okay, so you're going to start with a light orangey color. You're going to use a fluffy brush. You're going to put that into the crease and the outer corner of your eye. And you're going to use this as a base for the rest of the colors we're going to put down. So it's okay to kind of be sloppy with this. Then you're going to go into that darker orange shade, and again with the same color, you're going to put that over the lighter orange shade that we just put into the crease in the outer corner of our eye. Make sure that you don't blend this one quite so high up. Keep it kind of more focused in that crease area, as you can see right here, because then later on we're going to go in and blend it out even higher up right here. You're using that first color that we used to blend it out. As you can see, the one that I just did is a lot more blown out and more diffused. Now you're going in with a smaller crease brush, and you're going to take the darkest red, and you're going to kind of put this on the outer V's of your eye. That's where it's going to be focused to kind of put more dimension into the eye space. And then you're going to take any excess color and drag it into the crease. Now I'm going in with a flat packing brush, and you're going to pick up some concealer on one side of the brush, and you're going to put a little dollop on the eye space where we haven't put any color yet. You're going to wipe off any excess you have on your brush, and you're just going to go back and spread what you've already laid down on your eye, so that way we don't get too much concealer. You're going to put this on the inner part and the like the front part of your eye, not going into that outer corner. This is just so that we can have a clean base for the shimmer that we're going to put down. You're going to pick up that top orange shade with a smaller fluffy brush, and you're just going to really quickly go over the corners of the concealer, and you're going to just diffuse where the concealer and the eyeshadow meet. Now you're going to pick up the shimmer shade in the palette on the other side of your flat packing brush, the same one that you used for your concealer. You're going to lay that color right over top where you put the concealer. The concealer is again going to help that shimmer shade really pop. You can also wet your brush and then pick it up and lay it back over, just so that it helps it stay longer, and it also makes it more bright. Right here, I'm picking up just that same fluffy brush that I used just a second ago, and all I'm doing is diffusing the color so that it doesn't look so stark. I really want this to be a smoky eye. And then again right here, all I did was I just wet my brush and reapplied that shimmer shadow like I mentioned earlier. Now you're going to go in with your pencil brush, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette to pick up that teal and that blue shade. I'm going to mix them together. You can use that palette, or you can use anything you have that matches. And all you're going to do is you're going to run this along your lower lash line, really thick and smoky, and then you're going to follow the line of your lower lash line up toward your temple, sort of like a wing, making sure that it comes out pretty far so that we can see it. Make sure that's nice and thick and bold. Then you're going to go in with that flat packing brush again. You're going to pick up your shimmer shade, and you're going to put that into your inner corners, making sure to blend it into both the top and the bottom eyeshadow so that it's not so stark. And then you're going to give yourself winged liner on both eyes. And then all I'm doing right here is I'm cleaning up my makeup so that any fallout from like the blue especially isn't there. Now you're going to go in with your flat defining brush, and you're going to pick up just the blue now, and you're going to put that on the waterline of your lower lash line. You can kind of see right there the difference between one eye with the blue and one eye without, so make sure you don't forget that step because it really does make a difference. Then you need to do your eyebrows, and then you will apply your lipstick. And then that's it. Any other extra makeup you want to apply, like highlight, blush, bronzer, anything like that, you can do as well, but also do make sure that you do your foundation.